Hey, welcome back everybody. This is Mike with Everyday Barbecue. Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to present to you another slow cooker recipe that my family loves. We call this our slow cooker chicken Kiev because it's full of butter and garlic and just tons of deliciousness. You're going to love it. Let me show you how to make it. Alright, today once again I am using this Ninja slow cooker. This has multiple functions and I've done a few recipes on it, so stay tuned for a full review on that as well. And I'll even put the full recipe on the screen for you now, so if you want to go ahead and pause and take notes, do that now. Start by spraying some nonstick in your slow cooker if you wish, then we're going to add about 2 to 3 cups of chicken broth. Now we'll put in our chunky cut potatoes. You can cut any size or any shape you like. We just like to use this potato log shape. And yeah, that's my wife's hand, by the way. I gotta let her think she can make some pretty good stuff too from time to time. That's gonna get me in trouble, isn't it? Okay, next step is to get your chicken in on the other side of the cooker, and you can trim your chicken however you like. We just like to cut the fat off and just kind of cut it into chunkier portions. The smaller the better. They're gonna cook faster that way, but not too small, just a comfortable serving size. There's no rule book for this, just kind of do it how you want to do it. The important thing is the ingredients above all. Because I can hear it already. Somebody's going to come in here and say, "That ain't how my mama taught me how to trim chicken." Just trim your chicken however your mama taught you how to trim it and get it in the cooker. That's all that matters. Once that's in, sprinkle a couple teaspoons worth of chicken bouillon across everything. That's going to give it a nice elevated chicken flavor. And of course, add some nice saltiness. Okay, now one of the most important ingredients for this recipe is garlic. And I mean lots of garlic. So we're going to add about 2 heaping tablespoons of garlic to this now. Followed by 1 tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of pink sea salt, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chives, 1/2 teaspoon of parsley. Now for even more garlic flavor, with a tablespoon of garlic powder. Now just drop a few pads of butter around the whole cooker. This is a full stick of butter in total, and that's what you need. This is chicken Kiev. This is going to be buttery and salty and chivy and delicious. Oh, and garlicky. Very garlicky. If you don't like garlic, you should probably leave now. From here, it's very simple. Just get the lid on the cooker. You can set it to the low setting. This will take about 6 to 8 hours. If you set it on the high setting, it's more like 3 to 4, and then it's ready to serve. Make sure you stir it in between. Get all those flavors mixed together and serve it up just how you like it. We like to serve it over a bed of rice, and then to get some of that nice buttery gravy on top. It's just delicious. Alright, that's it for this one. I really appreciate your time. I've got a few more videos coming out real soon, so stay tuned. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and join if you want to become a member. I'll see you on the next episode. Cheers.